Good evening, students. Today's topic: partly factored polynomials. Theory of equation. Partly factored polynomials. Exercise 3.4. 3.4. Question number 1. Roman letter 1. X minus 5, x minus 7, x plus 6, x plus 4 equal to 504. Now we want to solve this solution. First, we have to relate these two factors. What is the relation between these factors? First of all, here minus 5, here minus 7, plus 6, plus 4. If suppose choose any two factor, for example minus 5 plus 6, so the answer is 1. And minus 7 plus 4, so the factor is minus 3. So these two are not equal. Now x minus 5 plus 4, first and last, take first and last, x minus 5 plus 4, that means minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1, and here x minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. So we have to write adjacent of these two factors, x minus 5 into x plus 4, and one more thing, x minus 7 into x plus 6 equal to 504. Now factor these two terms and these two terms. This is the partially factored polynomial. Now this is the factor of x minus 5, x plus 4. Sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Here x is square minus, what is the sum of the roots? Minus 5 plus 4, that means minus 1, minus 1x. And the product of the factor is minus 20. Minus 20, this is one set of factor. And the another set of factor. Here x is squared minus 7 plus 6 is what? Sum of the roots minus x, because minus 7 plus 6 minus 1. So minus x. And minus 7 into 6, 42. Minus 7 into 6 minus 42, which is equal to 504, right? And these two terms are same, so that's why we have to write y minus 20 into y minus 42, y minus 20 and y minus 42, where y is equal to what? X square minus x. Replace x square minus x by y. So we can write y minus 20 and y minus 42, which is equal to 504, where y is equal to x square minus x. Now these two are factor. Now y square minus, sum of the root is what? Minus 62 y, and the product of the roots minus into minus plus, or otherwise you can multiply these two terms. It is very easy method. So directly we can write what are the roots? Minus 20 minus 42. Sum of the root is what? Minus 62, and the product of the root is what? Minus 20 into minus 42. Minus into minus plus, 242, 84, and 0 is there, so 2042, 840. Now minus 504, here my plus 504 goes to minus 504 equal to 0. Now y squared minus 62y, here plus 336 is there. 840 minus 504 is 336 is equal to 0, right? This is also the quadratic factor in terms of y. Now we want to find the factors. Multiply 336 and sum of the root is minus 62. Here 56, 6 we choose. 6, 6, 36 and 6, 5, 30 plus 3, 33, and minus 56 minus 6. So the roots are y square minus 56, y minus 56 and y minus 6 is equal to 0. These are the two factors. Therefore y equal to 56 and y equal to 6 is there. Already we considered y equal to x square minus x. We want to solve the equation in terms of x. Here in terms of y. So we want to find the roots of x. So replace the y value by x squared minus x is equal to 56. And x square minus x minus 56 equal to 0. Here x squared minus x equal to 6 and x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. These two are quadratic equation. Here we want to solve the root x minus 8 into x minus 7. Here x minus 8 minus 56. X minus 8, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here we want to find plus, because x square minus x minus 56 equal to 0 means if multiply 8 into minus 8 into 7 minus 56 and here minus x is there. So x minus 8 x plus 7 is equal to 0 is the correct value. Now x is equal to 8 comma x is equal to minus 7 are the two roots of this factor, and one more factor is there. Here x square minus x means sum of the root and the product of the root. X minus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0, because minus into plus minus 6, and subtract these two. Minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1. So here x is equal to 3 comma x is equal to minus 2. Now the roots are this is the fourth degree polynomial, so there are 4 roots are there. What are the roots? Minus 7 comma minus 2 comma 3 comma 8. So these are the 4 roots of the equation. Refer the sum and we go to the next sum. Now the second sum, x minus 4, x minus 7, x minus 2, x plus 1 equal to 16. Here we want to relate these two factor, any two factor. What are the relations are equal? So how to find? Here minus 7, minus 4, minus 7 means minus 11. Add these two terms, minus 11. And here minus 2 plus 1. Here minus 1. So we could not relate these two. And here minus 4 minus 2 means minus 6. And this term and that term, minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. So these two terms we can write adjacent. X minus 4 and x minus 2 and x minus 7 x plus 1 equal to 16, because minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. So both factors are equal. Separate these two factors. Here we want to find the factor x square minus 6x, sum of the roots, and the product of the root means plus 8 x square. So we can write by multiplication. Here we want to write directly x square. What are the sum of the roots? Minus 6, and the product of the root means plus 8. Here also x square. What are the sum of the root? Minus 6x, and the product of the root is minus 7, which is equal to 16. Here x square minus 6, x square minus 6 are same, so we can write y plus 8 and y minus 7. Here y equal to 16, where y is equal to x squared minus 6x. this is the quadratic factor also. So we can write y square. What are the sum of the root? Plus x. 8 minus 7, 1. So plus x. And the product of the root is minus 56. Here minus 16 is equal to 0. Sorry, y. Here y. Y squared plus 8 minus 7, 1y minus 8 minus 7 minus 56. Here minus 16 equal to 0. Now y square plus y minus 72 equal to 0. Minus 56 minus 16 is equal to minus 72 equal to 0. These are also the quadratic equations. So we want to find the factors. That means minus 72 and the answer here 1. Sum of the root. 8, 9. Here 9 minus 8 is 1 because minus 8 is there. 9 minus 8 minus 72. Subtract these two terms. 9 minus 8, 1. So we can write the factor directly. Y minus 8 into y plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 8, y equal to minus 9. Already the y value is there. So y is equal to x square minus 6x. Here apply x square minus 6x equal to 8. Now x square minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. And here y value is x square minus 6x equal to minus 9. Now x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. So what are the factors? Here x minus 3. X minus 3 is the factor. Because multiply minus 3 plus 9 and add these two terms minus 6. So x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore the roots are x equal to 3 comma 3. Two roots are there. But here x square minus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0. There is no factor. So we want to find the formula method. What is formula method? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. Here a value is what? A value is 1, b value is minus 6, c value is also minus 8. Now apply the formula here. X is equal to minus b means plus 6 plus or minus root of b square means 36. B square means 36 minus 4, a value is 1 and c value is minus 8 divided by 2a, that means 2. Here 6 plus or minus root of 36 plus 32. 4 into minus side, minus 4 into minus side plus 32 divided by 2. And 6 plus or minus, this is what? 68. 68 is that. 68 divided by 2. Here 6 plus or minus, and we want to separate this. 17 into 4. 4 17s are 68. 40, 28 divided by 2. And 6 plus or minus, take 4 outside, 2 root 17 divided by 2. Take 2 common outside, 2 here, 3 plus or minus root 17 divided by 2. Cancel these two. The values are 3 plus or minus root 17. One root is 3 plus root 17 and the another one is 3 minus root 17. Already here 2 roots are there. So the total roots are, 3 comma 3 comma 3 plus root 17 comma 3 minus root 17. There are the 4 roots. Okay, refer this sum and we go to the next sum. Okay, now second sum, solve these factors is equal to 0 and we want to compare these factors. Here 2x is there. Now we want to compare these two and these two because 2 take outside. Here we can write the equation 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 and x plus 3 x minus 2 is equal to minus 20. You can write plus 20 to RHS side minus 20. It is easy for you. Now compare this factor 2x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Here we don't write the roots directly, the equations directly. So we can multiply these two terms. What are the factors? Here first take 2x to multiply this term, 4x square, that means 2x, 4x square plus 6x and minus 2x minus 3, and here we can write directly the quadratic equation x square minus means sum of the root 3 minus 2 plus 1, so plus x, and the product of the root minus 3 into 2 6 is equal to minus 20. Directly we can write sum of the root is 3 minus 2 1 and the product of the root is 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Okay, right. Here we want to simplify for this 4x square plus 4x minus 3 and this one x square plus x minus 6 equal to minus 20. Now take 4 outside. There is no 4, so you want to divide this. Here 4 take outside, x square plus x minus 3 by 4 is here. Because we want to multiply here 4x square and 4x minus 4 into 3 by 4, cancel these 4 minus 3. And here x square plus x minus 6 which is equal to minus 20, and take 4 to come this side by divide. So what is the answer? Minus 5 is here because minus 20 divided by 4. The answer is minus 5. And here x square plus x is there, x square plus x is there. So we replace by y. Y minus 3 by 4 into y minus 6 where y is equal to x squared plus x, where y equal to x squared plus x is there. Now this is the 2 factor, so we can multiply these 2 factor. What is the value? First of all, take y to multiply this term, y square minus 6y and minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4y. Here y into y square and minus 6y minus 3 by 4y minus into minus plus 18, 3 by 4 into 6, 18 by 4. Here minus 5 is there, so take plus 5 equal to 0 now. And we want to simplify these terms. Y square, here is minus, cross multiply these 2 terms, minus 24 minus 3, so minus 27y divided by 4, and here plus 4 5s are 20 plus 18, 38 divided by 4 which is equal to 0. Here the denominator 4s are there, so multiply 4 on both sides because we cancel these 4s. Y squared minus 27y plus 38 equal to 0. Here multiply 4 because 4y square minus, cancel these 4, so 27y plus 38, cancel these 4 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Here What are the quadratic roots means 4 into 38, 152. 4 8s are 32, 2 balance 3, 4 3s are 12, so 152. And sum of the root is minus 27. What is the root? 19, 8. 19 plus 8, 27. Okay, and multiply these two terms. 8 9s are 72, balance 7, 8 1, 8 10 80, 8 plus 7, 152. Okay, right. So total 152. Here minus 27 is there, so minus 19, minus 8. So multiply these two and add these two. Minus into minus plus here, and here add these two terms, minus 27. So here 4 is there, so we want to divide the factor minus 19 divided by 4, comma minus 8 divided by 4. Minus 19 divided by 4, comma minus 8 by 4. We cannot cancel these two, so here we can these two, minus 2. Minus 19 by 4, comma minus 2. These are the rough works. Directly you can write the factor y minus 19 by 4 into y minus 2 equal to 0, because minus into minus plus, and add these two terms, so 27. Therefore y equal to 19 by 4, comma y equal to 2. Already we have a value of y. First replace y equal to 2. If y equal to 2 means, what is the value of y? X square plus x plus 2. X square plus x equal to 2. Now x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. What are the roots? X plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0, because sum of the roots, sum of the root and the product of the root. Sum of the root 2 minus 1 1, and the product of the root 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 2, comma x is equal to 1. We have find two roots, and another one factor is there, y equal to 19 by 4. If y equal to 19 by 4, apply the value. What is x square plus, what is the value of y? X square plus x. X square plus x is equal to 19 divided by 4. Now we want to get inside x square plus x minus 19 divided by 4, which is equal to 0. And multiply 4 on both sides. Into 4 on both sides means 4x square plus 4x minus 19 equal to 0 is there. This is the quadratic equation. And then we cannot find the factor directly, so we can use the formula method. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here what is the value of a? A equal to 4, b equal to 4, a equal to 4, b equal to 4, c equal to minus 19. Now x is equal to minus b means plus 4 here, minus b means minus 4 here, b means plus 4 and minus b is there, so minus 4 plus or minus root of b square. B square means what? B square means 16 minus 4 into a value is 4 and c value is minus 19 divided by 2 into 4. Okay. Now x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, takes here 16 and here 16. Take 16 outside from the root, the value here 4 and the root of 1 is there. 16 take outside, it will come 4. Here 1 is there, minus of minus 19 plus 19 divided by 2 into 4. Okay, and right here now I continue here. X is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4 and 1 plus 19 is root 20 divided by 2 into 4, and take 4 commonly outside. 4 is outside. What is the value? Minus 1. Here minus 1 plus or minus, and root 20 is there, so we can separate this 20. 4 into 5. 4 into 5, take 4 outside, 2 root 5 divided by 2 into 4. Now cancel this 4 and that 4. What is the value? X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 2. So there are two roots here. One root is minus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 2, and another one is minus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 2. Therefore the roots are already we have two roots, minus 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma 1 comma minus 1 plus 2 root 5 divided by 2 comma minus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by 2. These are the